Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at how to add someone else's computer into your workflow so you can see their screen and maybe they're coming up to demo a new app or a PowerPoint or something, and you want to have them be a part of your whole presentation or your live stream, etc. As long as they have the desktop presenter app, you're good to go. So let's show you the workflow. First, we're going to go into the web and we're going to go to Telestream's website, telestream.net. And then we're going to sign up. It's a free account. Once you're logged in, and if you scroll down, you'll see Desktop Presenter. And it comes in two flavors, in Mac and PC. So that's great. Once they have, you do not need this, they need this. Whoever is presenting to you remotely needs this. You also need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. So once you have all that, and they have that on, we're good to go. Now we're going to jump into Wirecast. We're going to go to a layer. We're going to choose Remote Desktop Presenter. It's going to bring up if it's connected, and we actually have it launched right now. So we're going to have that screen coming up. If we don't have it launched, and I'll show you, let me just pull it up. Here's the Desktop Presenter. It's installed. It's literally this little square, this little rectangle. That's all it is. And the options are going to be window or the whole computer. And then you can choose, of course, which application, etc. Do you want it to capture audio? Here's the IP address to it for that particular one. And if I was doing a new source, and we'll go back. If I was doing a new source right here, I would name it, of course, and then I would say maybe David's computer. And I would put in this IP address right here. I would say, do I want audio or not? And I would apply, and it would come over. And we're just going to choose the existing one. And there it is. And here's my whole screen being shared there. You can see it all right now. We're actually Wirecast within Wirecast. So I can go live, of course. And there it is. So that is how simple it is to add somebody else's screen to add them to your Wirecast presentation or stream. Just have them download the remote desktop and they are great to go. Remote Desktop Presenter, the Desktop Presenter app, and then click on this and add Remote Desktop Presenter. Simple to do in Wirecast.